Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Starting with the sweet name of Almighty Allah, who is most merciful, benevolent, in compassion. As you know, today we have a lecture number first, and the lecture number first we will studying inshallah about present simple tense structure, as well as I will give the examples, different examples. Clear? So keep in mind, if you want to learn present simple tense, so the first thing is structure. Keep in mind the structure first. If you know about the structure of tense, you can make a lot of sentences about that structure. Clear? Like how? So I put here, that is the first one, singular structure. So in singular structure, keep in mind, first we put subject. After the subject we put first form of verb, and with the first form of verb we put is, es and is in rest of the sentence. Clear? Next, the plural subject. In plural structure, keep in mind the first thing is subject. After the subject you must be put verb and rest of the sentence. No need of s, ie, is here. Clear? Now where we use, keep in mind the one thing here, for example I give here two things there, or three examples here. The first one example is he plays volleyball. He plays volleyball, so it is what? It is the present simple tense. But keep in mind, with the he, she, it and singular noun we put does and where. We put does in negative sentences, and as well as we put do in negative sentences. But keep in mind, with I, they, you and plural noun we put do, and other, he, she, it and singular noun we put does. Clear? Keep in mind, the first thing is that if you want to put is or is, so you must be the subject must be he, she, it in singular noun. You cannot put is or is, ies with the plural, or they, he, you and we. Clear? Next, how we make sentences. So he plays volleyball. He plays volleyball. She cooks biryani. So it is what? It is the positive sentences of present simple tense. Now keep in mind the how to make negative sentences. So in negative sentences, for the negative sentences you must prefer does with the he, she, it. Like how? She does not cook biryani. She does not play volleyball. She does not play volleyball. He does not drive a car. Does not drive a car. Keep in mind, when you make negative sentences, so no need of is or is. You never add es and is with, you put does there. Clear? In interrogative sentence, you must be put does and do before the subject. Where? Before the subject. Like how? Does she? Does he? Does it? Clear? And does Ali? Like this. Do we? Do they? And do Ahmad and Ali? Clear? So these are negative in interrogative sentences of present simple tense. Clear? देखिए, जहन में प्रेजेंट सिंपल टेंस जो है आपको अगर सीखना चाहते हैं तो आसान तरीका क्या है? सबसे पहले आपने क्या नोट करना है? इसका स्ट्रक्चर नोट करना है. अब जब